Ever wondered what the difference is between shooting a suppressed handgun and one without a suppressor? Let's break it down. Suppressors dampen the sound of a gunshot, but contrary to Hollywood myth, suppressors don't silence a firearm. You can hear the difference. Shooting suppressed makes the experience more enjoyable for you and everyone around you when you're spending an afternoon out on the range. Learn more at AmericanSuppressorAssociation.com.